just wanted to show you something I got. I actually received this. It didn't go to my neighbors. It was this morning. And these are those snap button bracelets. And this was a really good buy. I bought these from my mom. And I got this from Wish because she likes to put the little snap buttons in them. And she sells these at craft fairs. These were free and $2 shipping. So each of these came to like $2. And I got, I think, 11 of them for her. And they're really cute. So she just picks whatever snap button she, thinks would look nice. And she puts it, and she has her little stand at the craft fair and she sells them. And these are really nice and they're well made. They're not like cheap. So I wanted to show you guys that because she actually just got here to start on them because we have also a winter craft fair. But I also wanted to show you guys something else I made real quickly because these are so easy. I made, remember those those cuff beadable bracelets I got yesterday from Wish? 5 for $4, so I made this one. I made it like with all different sizes, and I didn't try and really make it look symmetrical. I made this one using that panda charm that I bought from Wish. And I made this green and aqua and blue one. And this pink with the pink heart. And this one, black, white, and silver. So these are the cuff bracelets. Sorry, I'm all over the place. That I made. I am also working on another purse charm. So that's what's going on here. And when I'm done, I will come right back to you guys. Thanks. Okay, I'm back, and I made this big Mama Jamba brown and pearl colored and cream and gold, some crystals. What else? What other colors did I put into this? I put all sorts of little goodies in this one. This is a chunky charm. This will be on my Etsy shop if anyone's interested, or I'm just going to sell this at my craft fair. So anyway, so this is what I've been up to today. These are my mini charms that I've been making for those purses, which I plan on selling at the craft fair. If I have extra little mini charms, then I will definitely put them on my Etsy shop too. Alright, so this is what I've been up to. Made these. My mother did her little bracelets, and that's about it. I'm going away again with my family. We're going to a lake house. So this is our last vacation of the summer. We started off going to Italy. We went to the shore, and now we're going to end my beautiful summer with my family at a lake house. So it's been a wonderful summer, and I've done a lot of crafting, a lot of vacationing, and a lot of making lots of memories with my family. So that's it. And after this video, I think Marianne's going to do one because she wasn't happy with the other one. She says it didn't really pick up the lighting of her cork ornaments, and she is right because they are just magnificent. So I don't know if she redid it yet. I have to do some errands, and that's about it. So I hope everyone has a glorious Thursday. Bye.